Hello and welcome back to Ajay's Astronomy Guru, where we bring you the latest updates and advanced analysis on the global commodity markets. I'm Ria, and today we are shifting our focus to a massive supply-side development in the edible oil sector. Russia has just set a staggering new record for vegetable oil production, and the details reveal a significant shift in the global oilseed landscape. The primary engine behind this record growth is rapeseed oil. While sunflower oil production actually declined by nearly 7% in October, rapeseed processing exploded, surging over 32% to reach 330,000 tons. Similarly, soybean oil production rose by over 22%. Analysts point out that processors are strategically diverting their capacity toward rapeseed and soybeans because they offer superior crushing margins and more attractive profit potential compared to traditional sunflower seeds at this time. This expanding production is translating directly into powerful export flows, particularly for rapeseed oil. Russia's rapeseed oil exports have climbed 21% so far this year, reaching 1.22 million tons. A key driver here is China, which now accounts for roughly 85% of these shipments. After trade restrictions impacted supplies from other regions, Russia effectively stepped in to fill the gap, becoming the dominant supplier for the Chinese market. However, for the sunflower oil market, the outlook is a bit more complex. While domestic sunflower seed prices in Russia have softened due to a strong harvest forecast of nearly 17 million tons, export prices have actually firmed up. This is largely due to robust buying interest from major global importers like India and Brazil. Despite the record overall production, sunflower oil exports specifically are forecast to see a slight decline this season as trade patterns evolve and the processing mix continues to favor rapeseed. Looking ahead, the momentum is only expected to grow. Total oilseed processing for this season is projected to expand by a significant 13%. This growth is supported by massive harvest forecasts across the board, including double-digit increases for sunflower, soybean, and rapeseed crops. For India, the world's largest edible oil importer, these developments are crucial. While Russian domestic prices for oilseeds have shown some seasonal softening, the firm export prices for sunflower oil suggest that the global market remains tight. The transition we are seeing in Russia, from sunflower-heavy to a more diversified rapeseed and soybean mix, will have a direct impact on the pricing of the oil bottles in your local market. The coming month could see a major move in edible oils. Will this massive Russian supply eventually lead to a cooling of prices in the Indian markets, or will firm global demand and export duties keep prices elevated? For our advanced, proprietary analysis on the specific price triggers for sunflower, soy, and mustard oils, giving you the analytical edge you need, please contact us. Our number is displayed on your screen and in the description box below. Connect with us for advanced analysis to confidently navigate this volatile period. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Ajay's Astronomy Guru for more market-moving insights, and I'll see you in the next video.
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ। आप बनाओ, हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो। अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
पटल पोस्तो और सर्षे इलिश भापा। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झांझ, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।